having fun in the hobby room. Hope you join me. Please subscribe. F86 build coming soon. More and more videos. Okay, so 7 piece of orange Depron, but oh well. So I got this piece here that fits here on the flap. Now I gotta fill this in here, and we have to get this piece, and this piece, and fill these in. And I see where I just came through over here on the wing. I'm gonna reinforce that. But first off, we gotta cut pieces of Depron to fit these openings. So I'm gonna hold this down here like this, and then where it's flat here, and then draw in size of piece I'm gonna need. See? Oh no. I bet you my Sharpie isn't gonna go on the outside of it. I need something better to draw with, like a pencil. Okay, so if we have it, you see this top edge here, I'll be able to use it as a top edge. So get them all to fit like that. I know that. There we go. Now there's the 3 pieces of Depron. I need to cut out very carefully. So we'll cut them out nice. Okay, there's the first piece. Now we might have to sand that a little bit. Let's see here. Let me see if I can just get this blade. It's thinner here. And get all these pieces cut out. We can glue them in place here. We can start working on the actual flap mechanism. Okay. So far, that's spare. Now let's test fit some stuff here. If I used to glue that in, yeah, see that fits very good. I bet you this one fits really good. Oh, something happened there. That's way too wide. I see, we're just outside the line. So, all I have to do is take these, sand it just a little bit, same as this one. But that's okay. I'll sand these up just a bit. Okay, this one here. First off, this piece is made. Oh, I got a bad piece there, eh? Let's trim that off. Okay, so first things first, I guess, is we should glue this piece on, and then from there we can fit those pieces in and make them fit, but no use making this fit bad. Get some quick 5-minute epoxy on there and we'll have this glued up right away. Okay, I've got my epoxy mixed up. I put it in here. These parts all nicely covered again. Make sure you get the edges. And all the surfaces. Especially on this kit, for some reason, I'm not an engineer, but I think gluing these parts on and having all these ribs and glue make this a little more rigid and stronger, these parts do. So there. Lots of glue on. Squeeze that in place. There we go. So, we're going to set that there. And what am I going to use? What am I going to use? Oh, I don't want the glue on this. So, first off, let me get a little wipe here. Hardly anything. No excess, okay. So, all that glue in there. I do sort of want it to run back down onto those parts. And now, I don't get any chance. I'm going to put these 2 batteries on here. Just going to wait to set. There. Okay. We'll let that set and be right back. Okay. While that's setting up, I thought I'd get a jump on here. And we'll do this. Pieces for here. We'll do it the same way I did for there, right? We'll take my trusty pencil and I'll draw lines inside. And then I can cut them out. Okay, so now I'm going to hold this. That's right at the very bottom of that, approximately. Oh, this is tough, isn't it? Huh? So how am I going to draw that? Okay. So, well, I'm going to rough to these, I guess. One of those old-fashioned things, a ruler, right? I'm just taking a rough idea here. I'm going to get and cut it at that level. Which all should be about the same thickness. Okay, so I'll just have to cut these. The appropriate lengths here. Then comes up that one there. It looks like that one at an angle. That one's straight. Let's go away. Right there. So, like I said though, these are going to be some of the very last pieces to go on. Oopsies. Oh, no, I don't want that to happen yet. Right? I got them cut now. But we're going to get the wing made. We're going to get the servo in it. Okay, let's take a peek at this. Whoa. Oh, that's dangerous, eh? Obviously 5-minute epoxy. That's set. That's very quick epoxy. Whew. Hobby King. It's a little fast. Like 3-minute epoxy. Anyways, okay, so there. We got that glued on. Now, we can try and fit these pieces. That one needs a little bit of sanding. See, that one fits perfect, right? And so does that one. Right? Okay. So, by the looks of it, just that one little section off there. So, sandpaper there. And guess what? Now it fits. Okay, so there. So I got those 4 to fit. We'll get some more epoxy and I'll glue those in. That won't take much more than a minute. Okay, I'll leave them there. Now, oh man, the rest of this mod. Where do I want the servo coming out? That's the next question. I think right here, eh? I think I want the servo on this side here. Like that, and they're going to come up like that. That's it, okay. So, I'll find some, I guess you see I really have to put these side ones in. So, I guess these won't wait. I guess what we're going to have to do yeah, that's not a very good fit at all. I might make it, sand it down quite a bit. Same as that one. I think this one's too short completely. Way too short. So, cut another one. Not a big deal, is it? This is just scrap Depron. I have lots of it laying around. A little bigger. Okay. I know I'm way too big now. But guess what? I'm going to cut it down to size. There. Now, all I have to do is sand those down, I guess. Make them level. Oh, it's way high there. So that when this plate comes on, wow. Yeah, cut that off and I'm going to hinge this. I'm going to have to cut a little bit off of here too, I think. Trim this, trim it back. But these here, I'm going to have to go in here and go up straight. So we'll sand them, because they've got to be glued in place so that I can build this and the hinges. That's maybe a mistake. See, my hinges have to go in here, here, and here where I have solid foam. So they're going there, there, and here where I have solid foam. So that'll be okay for the hinges, these hollow spots. I was just thinking if I put hinges here, that wouldn't make a good enough backing, but I'm not going to. So we'll put the hinges in these solid foam spots.